Hi, my name is Zizi, and I'm not real, obviously, but I was created using just 2 AI tools. No studio, no camera, no animator. And in the next few minutes, she's going to show you exactly how to create me.
What if you could actually create your own 3D talking avatar video using just 2 tools? Yeah, I mean it's ChatGPT and HeyGen. And in today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how to do this step by step. I'm going to walk you through everything and break it into 3 steps so it's easy for you to follow along. Alright, let's get started. So the first part is to design or create this character using ChatGPT. So this will be a static image and you want to give a prompt that will describe exactly how this image or avatar should look like. So you go into ChatGPT right here. I have my prompt, so I'm just going to copy it. This prompting step is crucial, so you cannot be vague here. So the quality of your avatar, the quality of the results you get depends on how detailed your prompt is. So if you say just create a pixel woman, you get something generic, so you have to be very specific. Right here we are telling you to create a 3D pixel style portrait of a beautiful African woman. So that's the keyword. You have to always include 3D pixel style because that's the style of the avatar that we want to create. So you see that I've gone ahead to specify the way the shot should look like, her features, and how the studio lighting should be. I've also specified that this should be in a 16:9 aspect ratio format for YouTube. If you need this prompt, I've added it to the description box below, so be sure to check it out. You can copy and tweak as you like. Alright, so I send this into ChatGPT right now. So I'm going to give ChatGPT about 30 seconds to a minute to complete this avatar image. This is the result of the pixel style 3D avatar that we just created. So I love her large expressive eyes, her smile, and the cinematic lighting that is in the background. So I'm just going to download this image right now. So I just downloaded the image, but one thing I need to call out is, even though I specified that ChatGPT should use the 16:9 aspect ratio, on giving me the results, I realized that ChatGPT doesn't actually give you a 16:9 image. So this happens most times when you're using ChatGPT. So I'm going to show you a quick way to fix that using Canva. So I'll pick a custom size and enter a custom size that will be resizing this image to, which is standard YouTube 16:9 ratio. So this will be 1920 by 1080 pixels, and I'm going to create this design. I've added in the avatar and I'm just going to resize it to the right aspect ratio. Bring it down a little bit. So the avatar is ready in the proper aspect ratio, so you're just going to download it. So now let's move on to the fun part, which is using HeyGen. This is HeyGen right here. So if you don't have an account, the first step is to create your own account. You can sign up for the free plan. The free plan actually allows you to create up to 3 videos for free. The free plan works perfectly for testing. The only downside is you have the watermark, the HeyGen watermark on your videos, and the maximum resolution is 720p. I personally upgraded later, but you don't have to. You can definitely start with their free plan. The first thing you want to do is to go to the left hand menu. You see all of these items. You want to focus on video agent since we are creating a video. You see different built-in avatars at the bottom. Ignore them and click on more avatars and my avatars. This will allow us to upload a new avatar. So you want to upload a photo, the resized photo that you've gotten from Canva right here. This is my avatar. I'm just going to upload it. You'll be asked to give your avatar a name, specify the age, the gender, and the ethnicity. So I'm just going to call this Zizi. She's a young adult, gender woman, ethnicity black. Everything looks good, so you click continue. The next step is to choose a voice for your avatar. So I'm going to select the Cassidy voice, but you can always clone your voice using the instant voice clone. I'm going to keep this very simple, so we're going to pick the Cassidy voice for now and select voice. So we just completed step 2, and now we move on to step 3, which is actually bringing the avatar to life. So we go to the video agent menu right here again, and now we have our avatar as Zizi. We have a prompt box where we have to describe the idea of whatever video we want to create. So in this prompt box, you want to paste in something like this. So I'm saying transform this avatar into a full 16:9 YouTube video with natural voice sync, expressive face dynamics, authentic hand gestures and effects for a cinematic feel. So I'm giving the avatar what to say right here, and I'm just gonna send this into HeyGen. HeyGen will take some time to understand this prompt and map out the scenes and the sequence for this video. HeyGen has designed the entire video plan for this video. We have the script, the style, the avatar, and the voice that we chose earlier. It has created the entire scenery for the video, and now it's finally generating the video. So once it's loaded, you will see it show up right here. So it took nearly 3 minutes to complete this. So let's review what HeyGen has created for us.
Hello there, I'm Zizi, your friendly AI educator. Today we're exploring how I was created entirely by AI. Try it out and be sure to subscribe to Esther's channel for more videos like this.
Not bad at all for a first draft. So you notice that from Zizi's video, the lip sync to the script is nearly perfect. You have natural movements, natural hand gestures, blinking to the camera, and it almost feels very natural. If you want HeyGen to change anything in your video, you can always come back here to prompt it. If it looks just perfect, you can click on looks perfect. For me, this is just perfect for this demo. When you're satisfied with your video, you can simply hit download to download to your system and use the video wherever you want. So I'm gonna hand it over to Zizi now to wrap things off.
Okay, so now you know my secret. Now, you know how to make me and other avatars like me for all your video needs. Esther needs a quick favor. Tap the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.